Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a nice gentle mobility flow perfect for beginners or anyone that's looking for something a little bit more calming and relaxing. If you have any pain kneeling, go ahead and grab some extra padding for your knees, pillows, towels, whatever you have on hand. So when you're ready, go ahead and grab your mat and let's get started. We're going to start at the back of our mats in a child's pose. Knees wide, toes touching, chest folded over your thighs with your arms reaching long, forehead to the mat. Take a breath in here and think of that breath going to your lower back. Exhale, let it go. And inhale another deep breath in. Exhale, let it go. One more breath here in your own time. And on your next inhale, lift your hips off your heels and push yourself forward, bringing the shoulders over the wrists, arching your back, chest forward. And then exhale, round your spine, bringing the hips to heels. Inhale, coming up, arching your back. Exhale, going back to your child's pose. Inhale, curling up, arch your back. Exhale, child's pose, one more like so. Inhale up. And then exhale, find your neutral spine. Bring your feet hip distance now. Inhale, extend your right leg behind you. Exhale, bring the knee in. Inhale, lift the toes up to the sky, knee bent. Exhale, lower. Inhale, extend. Exhale, bend. Inhale, lift. Exhale, lower. Keep moving here. Just fluid leg extensions. Really opening through the front of your hip. Last one. Keep that leg reaching up to the sky. Come down onto your left forearm. And then open the knee out to the side. Circle the leg down. Then reach back up and circle around. Just gentle hip circles here. 2 more in this direction. And then switching sides, inhale, open up. Exhale, come down. Inhale, open. Exhale, close your circle. Last 2. Now extend your right leg long. Come back up onto your left hand. And then bend your right knee, reach that right foot between your hands, coming up into a half kneeling position. Stacking your spine, left hip over left knee over right ankle. Keeping your hips where they are, try not to shift forwards. Tuck your tailbone under. Think of bringing your pubic bone towards your belly button, getting a nice stretch through the front of your left hip. Maintaining this position, reach your arms up to the sky, palms facing forwards. Then exhale, squeeze your shoulder blades together as you open through your chest. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, squeeze shoulder blades together. Inhale, reach. Exhale, elbows back. Last 2. Last 1. Now bring your left hand just to the left of your right foot, rotating your right arm up to the sky. Take a breath in here. And then exhale, scoop your right arm over to the floor, bringing both hands to your left side. Then swing your right leg back around. Lower your hips to your heels, coming into a side stretch child pose. Take a breath in here, opening through your right side. And then exhale, walk your hands back in front of you and push yourself back up onto hands and knees. This time, extend your left leg back behind you. Exhale, bring the knee in. Inhale, left toes to sky. Exhale in. Inhale, extend. Exhale, bend. Inhale, lift. Exhale, lower. Back into our combo here. Again, opening through the front of the hip. Last one. Keep the left leg up to the sky, Lower onto your right forearm, and then open your left hip, bringing your left knee to the side. Exhale, lower the leg. Inhale, back open. Exhale, lower. Nice gentle circles here. Trying to keep your right hip stacked over your right knee. Last one. And then switching direction. Inhale, side. Exhale, back and down. Just gentle circles here. As big or small as you feel comfortable to do. Last one. Then extend your left leg long. Come back up onto your right hand. And bend the left knee in, bringing your foot between your hands. Restack your spine tall. Right hip over right knee. Left knee over left ankle this time. Tuck your tailbone under, coming into your right hip stretch. This time bring your hands in front of you. Then inhale, squeeze your elbows as you lift your breastbone up. Exhale, round your upper back as you reach your arm forwards. Inhale, elbows back. Exhale, reach. Inhale, extend. Exhale, round. Last few here. Really getting into your spine. Keeping that pelvis tucked. Last one. Then lower your right hand to the right of your left foot. Extend your left arm to the sky, really rotating through your spine. Inhale here. And then exhale, scoop your left arm around over to your right, reaching both arms long as you swing that left leg around, sitting back into your child's pose. Breathing into your left side rib cage here. Last breath. And then coming back to center, push yourself up to kneel, and then swing your legs around, legs bent in front of you, sitting tall on your sit bones. Arms reach forward. Then exhale, roll off your sit bones, push your thighs into the mat, straightening your legs as you roll all the way back to come onto your back. Finding a nice neutral spine, back of the neck long, and bring your feet as wide as the mat, knees bent, toes turned out, knees turned out. Exhale, tuck pubic bone to navel as you roll your hips up into a bridge. And then inhale, ribs lower, mid back lowers, low back lowers, all the way to the mat. Exhale, roll up. Inhale, roll down. Exhale, roll up. Inhale, curl down. Moving at your own pace here. Really focusing on that spinal articulation. Lowering one rib at a time. Trying to stay open through your collarbone. Shoulders down to the mat. Last one. Hold your hips lifted and then pulse here for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lower the hips down. Bring your arms to a T and then rock your knees to your left, stretching through your right hip, and rock your knees to the right, stretching through your left hip. Keep moving here. Nice windshield wiper legs. Really squeezing your top glute to stretch through that hip. And coming back to center, cross your left ankle over your right knee, and then push the left knee away from you, getting a nice stretch through your left glute. If you'd like to go a little deeper, thread your left arm through your legs and grab hold of your right thigh with both hands, hugging it in towards your chest. Just holding this position here. And now if you'd like to get a bit more into the hamstrings, if you're comfortable here, extend your right leg up to the sky and then bend the knee. Extend the foot up, bend. Last few here. Again, stay with the other two options if that was enough. And then lower the right foot to the floor, switching sides, bring your right ankle on your left knee and push your right knee away from you. Trying to keep that left pelvis down on the mat. Again, if you'd like to go a little deeper, thread your right arm through the hole you've created, grab hold of your left thigh and pull it in towards your chest. Inhale, extend your left leg. Exhale, bend. Inhale, extend. Exhale, bend. Only doing this movement if it feels fine on your back, fine on the back of the leg. Last one. Then lower the feet to the mat. Roll over onto your stomach, bringing your hands under your shoulders, legs reaching long. Inhale, push into your hands, extend your spine, keeping your shoulders back, breastbone lifted. And exhale, lower down, gazing towards the mat. Inhale, extend your spine, shoulders back. Exhale, lower. Inhale, extend, making sure to keep your elbows bent. Exhale, lower. 2 more, extending, lower. Last one in your own time. And lower down. Push your hips back into a child pose. Keep your elbows on the mat and see if you can bring your palms together, bending your elbows to bring your hands behind your head, getting a nice stretch through your tricep. Take a deep breath in, and then exhale, see if you can really sink yourself into the mat. Another breath here. And then push yourself up into a kneeling position. Inhale, reach your arms up to the sky, really lengthening through your spine. Exhale, let the arms go. And you're all done. I hope you enjoyed this gentle mobility routine. Don't forget to leave a like and comment down below if you'd like more videos like this. As always, thank you so much for joining, and I'll see you in the next video.